Okay, in this video I'm going to be going through how to solve a weird equation using the intersection method of your graphing calculator. So at this point you should have watched the calculator basics video in order to just figure out how to graph a line and how to edit your viewing window so that you can see the full graph. So we're going to be looking at where these two lines intersect, and that would be the solution to the equation y equals the absolute value of x squared minus 4x minus 3 minus x cubed minus x plus 6. So I don't know what this equation looks like, but if I can figure out where these two things are equal, so if I set this equal to 0 and move all of this over to the other side, if I can find where these two things are equal, I can find the solutions to this monster equation. So I'm going to go ahead and turn on my calculator. Go to y equals, I'm going to clear out anything that's there. And I'm going to type in this first equation. So I'm going to set y1 equal to the absolute value of x squared minus 4x minus 3. To use or to find absolute value, I'm going to go to the math section of my calculator. And I'm going to scroll down. Oh, no, sorry, go to number. So I'm going to go to math. Then I'm going to press the right arrow over so that my cursor is highlighted on number. ABS stands for absolute value. I'm going to press enter since it's already on 1. And I'm going to type in this whole equation. So x to the power of 2 minus 4x minus 3 and close the parentheses. Then I'm going to go down to y2. I'm going to set y2 equal to the second half of my equation. So x to the power of 3 plus x minus 6. X to the power of 3 plus x minus 6. And I'm going to change my window back to the standard viewing window, so go through zoom. Zoom standard is number 6, so I'm going to press 6. And I've got kind of this weird looking graph. So I want to figure out where these two lines intersect. I might zoom out just a little bit or make my my y-axis a little bit larger. So I'm going to go up on my y-axis, maybe go to 20 and change my scale to 2 again. That way I can make sure they don't intersect a second time. But it looks like this one's going straight up, this one's going out to the side, so it doesn't seem like they're going to intersect again. In order to calculate the intersection points, I'm going to go to the calc feature one more time. So I'll go second, calc. And I'm going to go down to intersect. So you can press 5 or scroll down to 5. And now my calculator, just like it did with zeros, it's going to ask me a series of questions. So it's asking for a point on the first curve. I'm going to go kind of close to the intersection point. It doesn't have to be on it. That's okay, just close to it. That point is pretty close. I'm going to press enter. Now it's asking for a point on the second curve. Again, I'm going to go up a little bit so that I'm pretty close to that intersection point. Again, it doesn't have to be exactly on it. That point is pretty close. I'm going to press enter. Now it's asking me to guess. So these points right here mean nothing. And I'll hit enter. And it'll tell me that they intersect when x equals 2.207. And so that would be my solution to this huge equation. And that's how you use the intersection method to find your zeros. So you just need to find the point or points where the two lines will intersect. And that's it.